Good afternoon. For sale here we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4. It is all-wheel drive and it is the XLE, so it's got quite a few options. It's not the top of the line, but it has I'd say about 75% of the options that are available, and we'll go through them in the video, but for now we'll just have a look at the exterior. It's got 4 Michelin all-season tires with plenty of life on them. You can see the moonroof over there on top. We'll go through that when we go inside the vehicle. I don't know if the headlights are flashing on my camera. I don't know, it's some sort of weird camera glitch that does that. In real life, it's not doing that. Let's have a look in the driver's seat. It does have cloth seats, but it's also got moonroof. So look at the driver door. Of course, we got all the power options. Let's open the moonroof cover. Got that. All right, let's hop in. Okay, steering wheel. We got the Bluetooth, volume controls. That looks like a collision alert it has, and also over here it shows a lane departure warning. That probably tells me it's got blind spot monitor. You can see it right there on the mirror. I don't know if you can actually. That'll be on both sides. That'll pop up if there's somebody in your blind spots. It's got the big radio screen. It has keyless access, so you can lock it, unlock the car with your keys in the pocket and just push to start. Let's throw in reverse. It's got the camera. It's got some apps on it. Dual climate control. It's got the USB and AUX inputs. There's the keyless access key, so that just needs to be in your pocket, and you can lock it and unlock it from the door. Let's have a look at the back seat. Pretty roomy for a small SUV. Let's pop the trunk. It does have like a privacy cover, I think these are called. Like I said, pretty roomy for a small SUV. And these Toyotas, I mean, they kind of speak for themselves. I don't really need to mention anything that everybody knows about when it comes to Toyota and reliability. This one's got 88,000 miles, so yeah, it's still got a lot of life left on it. Let's have a look under the hood. 4-cylinder, bulletproof engine, they say. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped out at all. Take care.